Whoa, yeah. Alright, daughters of Zion, open your eyes. Time now, wait for no one. Life is a river, keep flowing. Daughters of Zion, hear the whisper in the wind. Life is a journey, not a place where we begin. From the cradle to the dust, every step we take is a borrowed breath of Jah, make no mistake. Mirror show the beauty, but time show the truth. Every line on your face is a memory of you. Yesterday gone like the smoke in the sky, and tomorrow not promised. So we ask why. Oh, daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh, daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. Every day we born, every day we fade away. Every birthday candle is a step to the end. Still we laugh and we love, still we fight and pretend. But deep in the silence when the night draw near is a voice that reminds, say the end soon appear. Morning star shining like a sign in the sky. Dawn break gently like a lullaby. But every sunrise is a quiet call. One day we go sleep and not wake at all. Oh, daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh, daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. Every day we born, every day we fade away. Who are we? Just a spirit in the clay, passing through time, then we drift away. Roots in eternity, leaves in the breeze. Life is a journey carried by the sea. So look while you can, hold joy in your hand. Walk in the light and overstand. No chain can bind what the soul set free. Live in the now, that's the victory. Graveyard silent, but it speaks so loud. Every name a story, every stone a cloud. Kings and queens all lay the same. Dust to dust, no title remains. So why you worry about things so small, when time itself will swallow it all? Better to live with a heart so wide. Let love be the legacy you leave behind. Daughters of Zion, time is now. Morning come, night will fall. Live today, give your all. Yeah. Life is short, but spirit up. Yeah. One love.
It's not by might, nor by power, but by my spirit. Feel the fire. Fire burn, but it cleansed me clean. More than just a simple dream. Refiner's flame in between. Make me pure within. Like the gold tried through the heat. Melt away when not complete. Fall down eternal throne. When the road rough and steep, still me sow though me no reap. Jah promise him always keep, even when me I weep. Lion of Judah reigns forever, strong true star man anywhere. Holy faith, nobody break, no never. We rise together. Lion of Judah, lead the way. Night can't hold back the break of day. Stand firm, come on me. Victory, no delay. No beginning, no end in sight. King of kings rule with pure might. Darkness I flee from the holy light. Truth stand upright when pressure start to rise. Don't want full up my mind, still me look beyond the sky. Strength Jah always supply. Weeping may endure for the night, but joy come in the morning light. Though me stumble, still me stand, guided by the Father, and not by my own strength, understand, but by Jah, come on. Many fall along the way, lose the fight and drift astray, but me choose the narrow way. Walk it every day. I'm a palm and no retreat, even in all the blazing heat, till the victory complete. Lay it at him feet. Lion of Judah reigns forever, strong true star man anywhere. Holy faith, nobody break, no never. We rise together. Lion of Judah, lead the way. Night can't hold back the break of day. Stand firm, come on me. Victory, no delay. Roar, roar, lion, roar, forevermore, forevermore. Stand firm, endure, just secure. Roar, roar, roar. If we walk in the light as in the light, no turning back, no turning back. Jah know, no turning back. Yeah, step on, step, step, step by step in righteousness. Leave the old life in our emptiness. Truth alone I manifest. Put your faith upon the test. Not by sight, but what me know. Seed me plant, I start to grow. Even when the pace comes slow, forward me go. Me no stop, no. Come on, this it. Walk in the light, no look behind. Leave the old life far behind. Truth I go free your heart and mind. In time you shall find. Walk in the light, steady and true. Even when the road feel brand new, grace I carry you right through. Jah Jah dede, walk with you. No more riding in the shade. The price done paid, the debt done clear. Walk the path which Jah done made. No need for fret, no need for fear. Temptation I call out my name, try to pull me back again. Still me rise above the pain, no in vain the gain, my brethren. Your word a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path. When the night feel cold and long, we find the strength in the song. We become strong where we belong. Faith keep the fire burning on. Used to wander lost in a pride. Now me walk with truth as guide. Every step me take inside. Jah Jah right there by my side. Me fall sometime but rise again. Growth come through the pressure and pain. Sunshine always after rain. Nothing Jah do ever in vain. Walk in the light, no look behind.
leave the old life far behind. Truth I go free your heart and mind. In time you shall find. Walk in the light, steady and true. Even when the road feel brand new, grace I carry you right through. Jah Jah Dede, walk with you. Light, light, walk in the light. Guide, guide through the night. Step by step forward. No turning back, no turning back. Jah Jah, walk with you. Walk in the light. Hear the calling, no none of the noise, but in the stillness, be still and know. Jah Jah calls him. Yeah, yeah. Hear the calling from the hill. Quiet voice but strong and still. No by force but by your will. Peace where time can't kill. When the world get loud and cold, and the weight feel hard, feel old, still that whisper reach me soul. Call me back home. Holy Mount Zion, call me. From the pain straight to liberty. Lift me, I make me see why you are for me. Holy Mount Zion, me arise. Even though a tear they in me eye. Hope beyond this broken sky. Your promise never die. To the mother stand up strong alone. I try build our youth them home. Every tear the father know. You know they alone. To the better well lost him way. Job gone, bill still have to pay. Still there, hope beyond today. Jah Jah I go make a way. To the heart we get betrayed. Love where once strong now afraid. Grace still cover every scar we make no afraid. No afraid. And when we upon the Lord shall renew them strength. To the sick we can't find rest. Pain heavy upon them chest. Even there so you still bless. Held in our embrace. I have grown no far again. Even with your hidden scar, Jah know exactly where you are. Shine like the star you are. Surrender up your heart when you will. Trust the climb, be patient still. Even in a deep valley chill. Purpose him I go fulfill. Drink the living water deep. Promise him always keep. Even when you sow it, tear and weep. Jah you are go reap. Holy Mount Zion call me. From the pain straight to liberty. Lift me, I make me see why you are for me. Holy Mount Zion, me arise. Even though a tear they in me eye. Hope beyond this broken sky. Your promise never die. Calling, calling, calling. Zion calling. Rise, rise. Keep on walking. Peace remain forever and ever. Jah know. Jah know. Alright. By grace, through faith, not by works. Mercy speak. reach out to me, set my spirit free, like a voice call out my name. Through the guilt and through the shame, still his love remained the same. Never place the blame, redeemed by his mercy, not by my hand. Lift me up when I can't stand, even when I don't understand. Still you have a plan, redeemed by his mercy, pure and true. Carry me when I can't move, make me whole and make me new. Every promise you prove, to the Father trying day by day. Work done but still must find a way. Heavy load and bills to pay, still don't lose your way. To the mother wiping tears at night, holding on with all her might. Even there within the fight, you are in his sight. With a heart that's torn in two, love gone cold, don't know what to do. Mercy still reaching you, healing, breaking through. My grace is sufficient for you. To the one who feel left behind, lost in body, soul or mind, even there his love you'll find. Gentle, strong and kind, when your strength begin to fade and the road feel unpaved, know the price already paid. Don't you be afraid, not by works or what I do. Mercy carry me through. Oh, life fade like morning dew. Now I